All right, today we got a Samsung dryer. We're gonna do a quick tear apart. So you got your one screw right there. You got your two down there that hold on your lint trap. Now you gotta pop the top off. The screwdriver, we just had the screwdriver, it was just right there. Now the top comes off. Go in there. Go in there, bam, top's open. Lay it down. You've got 3 screws on the top. One. 2. And 3. Now your door should come off right about now. Push down it. Bam. Door's off. Take off the lock. Open. All right. Here we go. Important stuff. The drum retainer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch at the bottom. 1 there. 1 there. 1 there. And now you're gonna pull up and out. Now you're gonna detach the belt. The belt is attached. So once you detach the belt, then you can take the drum out. And always, always, always remember to clean out your dryer. Everything in here is a fire hazard. As you can see, there's char marks in there. Those char marks come from lint because you don't clean out your lint trap. And it goes in there and it could burn your house down.